On the AF series combines, we now have the rear control panel. And with the rear control panel, we now have a rocker switch for the battery disconnect. So if we press it down, our battery is now connected, and then we have the battery ignition. Press and hold for 1 second. Our rear control panel will now turn on. Also, from the cab, you can turn the key to the left to also engage the battery. Keep in mind, if you can't get any power in the cab, that the battery disconnect might be in the off position. Now looking at what our battery disconnect controls, we have the corn door or chopper bypass if you have the high hood mount option, followed by our swath door, and then our rear spreader position. If you want to move any of these controls or anything from the rear panel for diagnostic purposes, simply press the option you want, and you will now see the arrow highlight green. We will press and hold, and our actuator will extend. And now, if we want to return it to where it was, we press and hold the retract button, and now we are back into our original spread or working position. Following over to our left, we have the engine light. We have the rotor neutral, which, because it is highlighted green right now or illuminated green, our rotor is currently in neutral. Following below it, we have our chopper neutral. We have our lower rear sieve. We have our upper rear sieve. And then we have our right-hand side shield lights, our left-hand side shield lights, our front cleaning system upper sieve, our front cleaning system lower sieve, and then lastly, our sieve lights. Again, this is new for the AF series combines, and don't forget, if you do not have power in the cab, the battery disconnect is likely disengaged.